Welcome to Bike Lane. Today we're taking a quick look at an exciting new mini bike built for adventure and fun. The new 2026 Coleman B200. Compact and rugged design. The 2026 Coleman B200 comes with a tougher, more refined design. It features an improved steel frame, wider handlebars, and enhanced seat padding. Its compact size makes it perfect for trails, campsites, and casual off-road riding. Engine and performance. This new model is powered by an upgraded 196cc OHV single-cylinder engine. The low-end torque has been improved for stronger pull and smoother acceleration. It's an ideal bike for beginners, teens, and anyone looking for simple and enjoyable riding. Comfort and handling. Coleman has refined the suspension setup to better absorb bumps on rough terrain. The wider tires offer increased grip, giving you more stability and control. The lightweight build also makes it easy to maneuver in tight or tricky paths. Features and upgrades. The 2026 B200 introduces new color options, improved fuel efficiency, and an upgraded chain guard. Braking performance has also been enhanced for better safety and confidence on different surfaces. Final thoughts. The new 2026 Coleman B200 is a budget-friendly, playful, and adventure-ready mini bike. With a strong engine, rugged build, and compact size, it's the perfect choice for weekend adventures or fun off-road rides. So does the B200's classic formula still work for you? Or are you waiting for a modern overhaul? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this first look, be sure to subscribe to the Bike Lane. Ride safe.